Look at this, guys, my account is blowing up with gems, it's going crazy right now. This video is absolutely insane, you won't believe it, watch till the end if you wanna get all of this for real. Alright, step 1, go to your phone settings, scroll down and look for apps, guys, then in the search bar type DLS. Now bros, tap on the game, just like you see here, then go ahead and select battery. Easy stuff. You'll see it's set to optimize there, but nah, we don't want that. Change it to unrestricted or this won't work right. Next step, open up Google Chrome and let's get it ready. This part is super important if you want the method to actually work. Once you're inside Chrome settings, you'll see this screen right here. Scroll down and tap on privacy and security. That's where we're heading next. Alright, this step is super important. Tap on send do not track, just like you see here. Make sure it's turned off so the method works with zero issues. Perfect. Keep going just like this until the end, then go apply it for real. Now open Chrome again and type in this website. Make sure you spell it exactly right. Alright bros, this is the website's interface. Make sure you pick v3-dls and nothing else. Don't mess it up or the method won't work. And this is where the real magic starts. This page is super important. Every single step matters here. It's asking for your game info, so now we're gonna head back to the game and grab it. After you tap on settings, go to advanced, then hit system info. From here, just copy your game data, that's the info we need. Now paste your game info right here, make sure it's correct, then just hit continue, pick your device, Android or iPhone, and choose how much resources you want, champ. Let's blow this game up. So as you can see, everything's ready to go. But this is the final step and it's the one that matters most. So I need your full focus here, champs. Let's lock in and get what we came for. Keep going with me. Alright, now the site needs a quick but super important verification before it starts sending the resources. You'll see two servers, just pick whichever you like. And don't worry, the tasks are super easy, my friends. It might be a short survey, downloading an app or game or something simple. So follow the instructions based on your country, complete all the steps and just stick with my walkthrough. Oh, let's go. As you can see, it actually worked. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more. And if it didn't work for you this time, don't worry, I've got something even better coming, so stay tuned.